Welcome to Kigali-Engineers-College.
It's caught in the crossfire. It's caught.
Conference of KC. We are going to talk about this electrical oven to use the electrical energy to produce the heat. So everything you use heat to roast or baking, you can use inside this oven. Bake it very well. It has the problem this upper resistance to work properly. We are going to see what caused the upper resistance not to work properly and how you can solve it. So you can use a screwdriver and digital multimeter in order to test what the problem and use of it. Let's proceed. So as we explained in the previous video, you see this is the temperature controller where you can set the temperature according to what you want. And also this is the timer, and this is the control button that control our controllers. And you see inside there is the resistor. Instead of using the gas in the previous video, here we use the resistor. You see very well, this is the resistor that produces the heat for making for roasting your bread and the other things. And below there is the heat resistance inside this cover. You see here it's a button to power on both controller, and also the button to power the below. You see, so we replace the contactor of the board because it only have the problem. Let's open first, and also open here. So we open this screw, remove the cover, just remove the cover. You see inside that this is how it is. This is the lamp, and also this is the upper resistor, and this is the lower resistor I have been told you before, and this is the sensor below and the sensor above, and this is the contactor, tube contactor, and this is contactor that have the problem. You see this one have the problem. We press it, you see it does not cross. You see, when you press, you see it does not cross. So, and we press this new one. How to connect it is the wire from the power supply. You see circuit breaker. This is the 3-phase circuit breaker, and also and this is white cable is the supply to the oven. You see it come here and going to our contactor, rope to the other one for the below resistor, and this one we press this one. You see very well, and this cable for the controlling the coil from the controller to control the powering circuit, and also you just provide the neutral. So this the problem, that is the problem they have. We repress now, you see, you see, when you set to just cross the power circuit, just cross the power circuit, and same as below. Yeah. So thank you so much.